Let's get one thing straight. Being busy is not an excuse for eating junk. Your body is an engine. Fuel it right and you'll perform at your best. Why settle for soggy sandwiches and greasy takeaways that leave you sluggish? Forget complicated recipes and hours in the kitchen. I'll show you how to eat like a king even with just minutes to spare. This is about real food packed with flavor that fuels your body and mind. We're talking delicious, satisfying meals you can prep faster than you can scroll your phone. Today we're building an arsenal of 6 lightning-fast meal prep ideas to transform your eating. No more excuses, just fresh, vibrant food that works as hard as you do. Ready to stop compromising and start cooking smart. Let's get to it. First up, lemon pepper chicken couscous cups, a game changer for your lunch routine. These are not just another meal prep idea. They're a vibrant, flavor-packed upgrade that will make you actually look forward to lunchtime. Whether you're working from home or packing up for the office, these cups are designed to keep you fueled and satisfied. Start by grabbing a quality rotisserie chicken from your favorite market, or use home-roasted chicken if you have leftovers. Shred it into bite-sized pieces for the perfect texture, tender, juicy, and ready to soak up all the flavors. Couscous is your best friend for quick meals. Just pour boiling water over the grains, cover, and let it steam. In 5 minutes, you'll have fluffy couscous that's ready to go. No stove required, no fuss, just pure convenience. While the couscous steams, whip up a zesty dressing, squeeze fresh lemon juice, drizzle in extra virgin olive oil, add a generous amount of cracked black pepper, and a pinch of sea salt. Whisk it all together, taste, and adjust until it's bright and balanced. This dressing is what brings the whole dish to life. Don't forget the herbs. Chopped parsley, mint, or chives. Add a burst of freshness and color. Fresh herbs make all the difference, turning a simple meal into something special and aromatic. Fluff the couscous with a fork to separate the grains, then toss it with your homemade dressing and a generous handful of those fresh herbs. Every bite will be packed with flavor and texture. Now, layer the couscous into your meal prep containers and top each one with a hearty scoop of shredded chicken. This combination is not only delicious, but also keeps you full and energized for hours. For crunch and freshness, add chopped cucumber and juicy cherry tomatoes. You can also toss in bell peppers, radishes, or even a handful of arugula if you want to mix things up. The more color, the better. With these cups, you've got everything you need. Carbs from the couscous, lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the olive oil, and a rainbow of veggies. It's a balanced meal, all ready in under 10 minutes. Make several at once and stack them in your fridge for grab-and-go lunches all week. Batch prepping like this saves you time, money, and stress. No more scrambling for something healthy to eat. There's no reheating needed, and these taste miles better than any takeout salad or soggy sandwich. You'll be the envy of the lunchroom, trust me. This is smart, efficient eating for busy days. Perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Ditch the sad, wilted salads and eat like you mean it. These couscous cups are vibrant, satisfying, and full of life. Lemon pepper chicken, couscous cups, your new lunch hero, ready to rescue you from boring meals. Prep, pack, and power through your day with confidence, knowing you've got something delicious and nourishing waiting for you. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few simple ingredients and a little planning, you can transform your lunch game. All it takes is a bit of planning and the right ingredients. Try these lemon pepper chicken couscous cups and see how easy, tasty, and satisfying healthy eating can be. Next, the ultimate no-cook lunch, avocado tuna crunch boxes. This recipe is perfect for those busy days when you need something quick, nutritious, and delicious. It's a fantastic blend of flavors and textures that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Use quality tuna in olive oil or water, drained and flaked into chunks. The quality of the tuna really makes a difference, so opt for the best you can find. This will be the protein-packed base of your meal. Dice a perfectly ripe avocado and add to the tuna for creamy, healthy fats. Avocado not only adds a rich, buttery texture, but also provides essential nutrients like potassium and fiber. Toss in finely diced cucumber and celery for crunch. These veggies add a refreshing crispness and are packed with vitamins and minerals, making your meal even more nutritious. Squeeze in fresh lime juice to brighten and keep the avocado green. The acidity of the lime not only enhances the flavors, but also helps to preserve the vibrant color of the avocado. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like heat. Adjust the seasoning to your taste, and don't be afraid to experiment with other spices or herbs. Add sunflower and pumpkin seeds for extra crunch and nutrients. These seeds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, adding both texture and nutritional value to your meal. Gently fold everything together. Keep the textures distinct and vibrant. Be careful not to mash the avocado too much. You want to maintain those lovely chunks. Pack the salad in a container, and in another, add large lettuce leaves for wraps or whole grain crackers for scooping. This way, you have options for how you want to enjoy your meal. This meal is fast, filling, and loaded with protein and healthy fats. It's perfect for a quick lunch at the office or a light dinner at home. No stove, no fuss, just real satisfying food. It's a no-cook solution that doesn't compromise on taste or nutrition. Make a few for the week and you'll never dread lunch again. Meal prepping these boxes ensures you have a healthy option ready to go, saving you time and effort during busy weekdays. It's light, energizing, and keeps you full for hours. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fresh vegetables makes it a balanced meal that supports your overall well-being. Forget takeout. This is the definition of efficiency. With just a few minutes of prep, you have a meal that's far superior to any fast food option. A few simple ingredients, 5 minutes, and you're set. It's amazing how quickly you can put together a meal that's both delicious and nutritious. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. It's a straightforward recipe that anyone can make, regardless of their cooking skills. Avocado tuna crunch boxes, your new go-to for busy days. It's a reliable option that you can count on to keep you nourished and satisfied. No excuses, just smart, delicious fuel. Make the smart choice and enjoy a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Time for a quick one-pan dinner. Smoky paprika turkey skillet. Heat olive oil in a skillet, add lean ground turkey and brown it. Season generously with smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Add sliced bell peppers and chopped onion. Cook until just tender. Pour in a can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes for moisture and depth. Simmer until the sauce thickens and flavors meld. Taste and adjust seasoning. Make it your own. Serve over quinoa, brown rice, or cauliflower rice, or pack into meal prep containers. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. This meal is hearty, balanced, and ready in under 20 minutes. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. Perfect for meal prep or a quick weeknight dinner. Enjoy hot or cold. Versatile and satisfying. One pan, endless possibilities. Smoky paprika turkey skillet. Your answer to the dinner dilemma. Fast, flavorful, and filling. Healthy eating, simplified. That's a win. Need dinner in 15 minutes? No problem. We've got you covered with a dish that's not only quick but also incredibly delicious. Ginger soy shrimp with snap peas is your answer. Start by patting raw shrimp dry and rinsing fresh snap peas. This ensures everything cooks evenly and quickly. Next, mix low-sodium soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil for a quick and flavorful sauce. The combination of these ingredients creates a perfect balance of salty, tangy, and nutty flavors. Add grated ginger and minced garlic for a punch of flavor. These aromatics will elevate the dish, making it taste like it took hours to prepare. Heat oil in a hot pan until it shimmers, then sear the shrimp for a minute per side. This quick sear locks in the juices and gives the shrimp a beautiful golden crust. Toss in the snap peas and garlic, along with the ginger. Sauté until the peas turn bright green and are crisp tender. Pour in the sauce, toss to coat everything evenly, and let it bubble and glaze the shrimp and peas. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and sliced green onions for added texture and flavor. Serve this delightful dish alone for a low-carb option, or pair it with rice or noodles for a heartier meal. The versatility of this dish makes it perfect for any occasion. Portion into containers for meal prep. This dish reheats beautifully or can be enjoyed cold. It's elegant, healthy, and lightning fast, making it ideal for busy weekdays. With shrimp and a few pantry staples, a stunning meal is always just minutes away. Say goodbye to takeout cravings, and hello to homemade goodness. Ginger soy shrimp. Fresh, fast, and full of flavor. Dinner, solved. Enjoy the satisfaction of a home-cooked meal in no time at all. Cottage cheese is your secret protein weapon. Don't overlook it. Use full fat or 2% for creaminess. Spoon into containers and season with sea salt, black pepper, and everything bagel seasoning. Stir in fresh chives, dill, or parsley for a flavor boost. Add crunchy veggies, celery, carrots, cucumbers, or mini bell peppers for dipping. Include a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg for extra protein and healthy fats. Customize with olives, cherry tomatoes, or roasted chickpeas. It's a balanced, satisfying mini meal, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. 5 minutes to assemble, no cooking required. Keeps you full and energized, no energy crashes. Ditch the protein bars, this is real food, fast. Savory cottage cheese boxes, endlessly customizable, always delicious. Prep a few for the week and stay fueled. High protein eating made easy. Mornings are chaos. Overnight protein. Oat cups are your solution. Use rolled oats, not instant, for better texture. Add a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or unflavored works best. Mix in chia seeds for fiber and creaminess. Combine oats, protein, and chia in a jar. Shake to mix. Add your favorite milk. Shake again, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, add toppings, berries, nuts, seeds, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Make a different flavor every day. Cinnamon, banana, peanut butter, apples. 5 minutes at night saves your morning. Balanced with carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Grab and go breakfast that keeps you full and focused. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary snacks. Overnight protein oat cups. Your new morning ritual. Prep, sleep, and enjoy. Start your day strong every day. Healthy habits begin here. 6 fast, delicious meals. No more excuses for unhealthy eating. Invest minutes, not hours, in your health. You deserve to eat well and feel great every day. Take action. Pick one meal and make it this week. Experience the energy and satisfaction of real food. Build small, sustainable habits for big results. Like, subscribe and check out more meal prep ideas on SlimSync. Every meal is a step toward your goals. Don't waste it. Get in the kitchen and start prepping. Well done.